Hey, 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 hey. Captain Chris Johnson here. Yep, I'm still learning. A little trouble. We're getting it right here and there. Marty's assisting me. I want to let you know Red Redfern today was trying to get on his live. He's going through through his longboat. Did not get a good service. He apologizes. He's not going to try to do it again as far as I know today. I'm just coming back early this morning at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was plugged in a little. I was definitely on 360 when Ash Mafar come on there, and Muhammad and Michael and Susie. It was pretty exciting. The 360 blew me away. Didn't expect what Ash Mafar was going to say, and that is next Wednesday on Onpassive 360, a platform he's really loving. So we're all real happy about that. He is going to announce the date for the last day that you can become a founder. Very, very excited about that. I'm still a little off my game here. I know we have Friday Night Live tonight with Lynn Nakamoto and Ron Hubert, and I believe they're talking about blockchain. Marty, mute yourself. I believe they're talking about...
Hold on.
Here he goes. So they're going to be talking about blockchain because I know Lynn keeps calling Marty, and he's working with me right now. So we'll get to you, Lynn. Don't worry. This is still new for me. I took a week off here to get my brain in order for what's coming. I had a great time, actually. And let me tell you what, when I heard about what Ash was saying about blockchain, about announcing the last day for a founder, what does that tell you? It's coming. Come on, guys. You better get excited. Everything, listen, there's nothing else. I'm thinking, what else can he give us that's just going to keep blowing us away? But I'm going to promise you this, there's more. There's more. It's going to keep getting more exciting. So hold on. Ron and Lynn is at 8 o'clock tonight. I know also Julie and the Angels are going to be doing a live here pretty soon. I hope I'm not walking on them because this took so long to get going. So watch out for them after me. What else is going on? What else happened this week? I don't know, but I'm excited about it. All right. Next Wednesday at Onpassive 360, you're going to hear something you all been waiting for a long time. He has been every single week giving us something a little bit more. Marty.
Did you know what you just said? Wait a minute, you said, what else is going on? I don't know. I'm excited about it.
I know, but it's crazy. And this is how you should all feel right now. You know, if you're having one of those bad days, just think about what's coming your way that's going to help you out. And like I said, I know what's going on. I'm just a little off because I'm trying to learn this YouTube.
And while you're testing, Chris,
right?
See the names popping up on the right?
Oh, I do.
Now, see, that's the people come in. We'll set it up better. You do one tomorrow morning. We'll get together.
On Saturday?
2 hours. No, not, well, the next time you want to do one, Monday,
okay.
We'll come in a half hour early, set it up, and you'll see people be waiting, and they'll know ahead of time.
So we have Anita Rose, Raphael, and that's all we got is 2 people?
Well, nobody can find you.
Right. That's okay.
They don't know yet because we've been in and out the whole time.
All right, but I love you guys anyway for being on here. Just get ready. It's coming. I'll get myself back up to date by Monday. We'll do this again. Marty DeGarmo, thank you very much helping me out. Don't forget, Red will be back on Monday. He's traveling with his boat, so he doesn't have a great internet connection. And he tried, and he sunk to the bottom. But it's okay. It happens. Marty just did a great live. Make sure you check out his YouTube channel. This is now my YouTube channel. This meeting has been ended by the host. Marty, did you end me? Marty? Happy birthday, if you got a birthday, because I don't have a clue what's going on right now. All right, guys, let's see. Tell your people. Ring the bell. Thank you, Raphael. Make sure you ring the bell and join my YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm learning root ball paw, what's happening. Guys, this is, all new to me, this YouTube thing. So I'm still learning. Eventually, I'll start getting some people going on here. ring the bell, click the like, make a comment. Let's listen, eat, sleep, and breathe in passive, because sooner or later, here soon, your life is going to be nothing but a passive. But the greatest thing, it's all going to be done for you. You've heard what Ash has been talking about. Data centers, blockchain, wallet to wallets, peer to peer. Woo! Marketing everywhere in the world. Big event coming soon. Non-stop, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. So make sure you join my YouTube, because I'm still learning how to do it. Thank you, everyone out there. And just keep rocking this, guys. It's coming. It's here. You're part of it. You're going to be successful. You're going to bring people along with you. They're going to do it all for all of us. And it doesn't get any better than that. All right. Don't forget, I think Julie Wynn and the Angels, Sherry and Terry are coming on, but I'm not sure. I didn't see your text. But 8 o'clock tonight, Ron and Lynn live with the tech guys, the doctors of technology. We'll be talking about blockchain, I believe. All right. I got to go. We'll see y'all later. I hope I did this right. Mwah.